Wagwan. Where every time we come here, they want different bush. Why? Yeah, but we can't pass around here. Man, up here fly there, so. Yeah, some fine one. How you find yourself over there, my bush, Chappy?
Where much fly come from?
Yeah, like a lot of flies. No. Oh, let me come up here, so.
I'm coming here, go to again, some more place again, me go. I'm going, sir.
Why, Chappy?
Yeah.
Why? May I try to move out of the grass because you it look like it look like they them a follow the grass.
Yeah.
Cause see they not
this time must pack them up.
Yeah.
How long let's up here fly today?
And go up south right out to the end where the bone. I'm going to go left yesterday. Go over someone. Yeah, you come out grown.
Yep.
You want to see this grown, you know?
Eh?
They mash up rasta up me chop up me say this I shall look at this me check out some head me get about 10 pounds I me get some head still me say me want 10 more heel to balance back so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, chat them balance them out and balance one part over there so one part again.
And Saturday you do all of this?
What? Come on. No man. 2 days I was it coming off. Sunday Saturday I never feel so good on me left.
You never feel good?
No, I'm a boy.
So you feel better now?
Yeah, I forced the feeling this morning.
Yeah.
Last night I said, yo, I forced the feeling and I go find something to do, you know, because the fact you're out there with it. Because I can't stand so.
Oh.
I try something still. Force the feeling this morning, yeah, maybe I try to get up this morning and I was so early to get up.
So what kind of feeling you have? Pain or bad feelings?
I don't even know, you know, kind of stress pain coming like some stress pain, you know, man. I don't even know where I saw because I never feel so good over a weekend. I
must be about 6 times now me here say that since me come. So you not feel good over a weekend. So you not feel good now?
I don't feel so bad, but I force the feeling and come out and sweat out some of my feeling, you know.
So you sweat out it?
I sweat out it, but...
So big one you mean less than sweat out it?
Oh God, you know, so I don't chop up. I lost them 2 days and chop out there and I run left them. So I chop them out and then I say I go so I brush off. See me when I turn out, see me up the turn. So I brush out 2 hill up there and save me. 80 hill up there, I believe, 86 here.
Oh.
See if I can run Chappy.
So where you go? Because we come here left the farm. Alright, we go on, we follow you, although we don't know where you go.
Yeah. But I go down. This one I go, so I go see if I can chop off. Yeah, you know. You can't come as well. Oh.
Yeah, follow you.
I feel it come over, man. Sometimes I feel I come over that sometimes I come, you know.
Chappy, I hear say you walk go by farm like a while?
No, I walk quite long there so I don't even know.
Oh. So you go pass this so?
I pass this all the while, man, but sometimes I walk, I go down the part there still, but...
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
It's a clean route normally. A clean route, you know, so just walk and come over, step over. But there's some steel in there, so what do you mean? Some steel in there, so we must put them up.
Wow, you're going to do some work here, so Chappy.
We come Saturday again.
Hey, them a come back Saturday?
I don't know which date, I talk to the gate catch who they left in the dust up evening was on me.
Oh.
They steal up and cash the same time?
No, they may come and steal up before I tell you, so they may come and then steal up. They steal up as a post, and 2 posts the bottom one, 2 bottom column now being left.
Oh.
Then can you go back dirt and fix up here, cast up it.
Okay.
Yesterday.
So this is our bathroom?
Yeah.
And this is what?
Room in front.
The room in front, so what beside the bathroom?
And so walk with a veranda or something like that, man, you know?
The veranda there front.
So maybe I room this?
Hey.
Room Likkle.
Right here.
No, man, I know a room here somewhere. Which part is that, right? Just
Right here.
a 2 part or so?
Well, anyway.
I know a room lower. They say one walkway, and they say, there's one walkway, and they say bathroom.
Oh.
So you see down where the 2 columns the way down there, so? Up there, so them out put up the
It's a split level.
room. No, down there, so? Them out deck off there, so?
Okay, okay.
Over
Yeah.
the part there. And dig out down the part there, and block up underneath, so you go up underneath.
So you did that help dig out the foundation too?
No, I'm digging 2 holes in my bottom.
Oh.
But I'm dropping a one, that's already it pain me up and mash me up.
Oh, Jesus.
You can,
You have to be careful, you know, Chappy.
get some Japanese man. Yes, I come from a bush, so I come and I go to some chop like that's so. I could go over tree. Some trash, me see water pile up to come over. And me move just a train a bamboo root. Me grow on a bamboo root now. I remember say, holy and dig there, I mean, that's it. So you just drop and fall up in it.
Lord Jesus, have mercy. You have to be careful.
Right now, I show that me come right.
But that's why you don't feel good.
I don't feel so good. I'm saying,
Now you see, you not tell me say.
if you got like that Friday, I mean.
You not tell me say, drop in a hole. You just say you don't feel good over the weekend. So now we know.
Dropping a hole, I never show that.
Uh-oh.
Yes. And then it come give me use some rubbing and rub and use some hot water to salt and I get a ease and then you know me did it so. Use rubbing, I say rubbing good. So I leave it really on me. Right now I feel like a pain night but true we are black man. We're born tough so we have to just go on.
Oh.
So it's on now so.
Yeah.
I want.
Why?
I'm planting this of the plants here. I tell you, we'll get you before. I want
It's a picture of fork and it stick up right there. So you plant over this farm too now?
a cheese somebody?
Oh. Trimel there, man.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't see her good. Oh.
So,
Yeah.
so the side you know kind of done so me I touch one side. I catch up the side, you know.
Okay.
So I take him up somewhere else, take up the head and put somewhere else. I start be a good you know but start to give them down.
Okay, so Chappy, we have a donation for you that was sent by Warrell and CB.
Yeah.
So it's your early Christmas present.
Warrell and CB.
Yes, man. You remember the name?
Yeah, man, but that's it, yeah.
So then send a donation for you, which we'll give you afterwards.
Yeah.
So just big them up and tell them thanks and let them know how much we appreciate it.
What you say?
Warrell and CB. So the maca tree here, you know, don't.
Yeah, that's not problem. Go along with it.
But nearly watch me.
You're going there,
Warrell
well.
and CB. Yeah?
Yeah, though.
What? Yeah, Warrell.
Warrell.
And CB. Yes, good morning. I give thanks for everything that's happened, donation and everything. So I give thanks. You see me, sir? I say, I say, but why? Yeah, you have to really give thanks to the people that love man, because people don't know you, and appreciate you and give you certain things. So,
True.
you have to really say, boy, be thankful and give praise for them. And so,
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, man.
So apart from that now, how is everything? Apart from the pain where you have, say you're feeling, you're alright otherwise?
Otherwise, I mean, not really alright, you know, but I have to make myself alright, as I tell you, say,
Yeah.
but I have to still do it.
And you finally get the house off the ground.
Aye, that's the one I part again, so.
And I grown it.
You know, but yeah, but I mean,
It starts.
Yeah,
Yes.
a push.
Yeah, yes, you know what I mean, Chappy.
It pushed up already, me a gone for.
Yes,
So, I still go on.
yes, man.
So, them man, they are Ziggy now, they go by work, you know, me have to wait for him, tell him start and do him. You know, so
Yeah.
tell him, say, man, you know, see, he quicks up so much, he plays a wet up.
Yeah. So it's just that. But we finish in short order, man.
Uncle girl, see one boat fly upon you, then man, I'm walking, so Chappy place to go down soon.
Yeah, that's what I say.
That's what I say, because I say, place I go down soon. I say, yeah, man, we got to make it happen.
Yeah, absolutely. God will make it happen because He make it start, right?
Yeah, enough thing God make enough thing. I'm talking to Father here in prayer. Right now, I have 5 yards of grit and 5 yards of sandpaper out there.
Oh, we come down. Okay, okay.
You want some solid text?
Solitex?
No,
Plyboard.
Plyboard.
Okay.
I want plyboard for deck.
Oh, okay.
Plyboard and go.
We box up the column now.
Column come out and go for the top black up on it.
It smell like I want upstairs and downstairs there, Bill, man.
I like the right up front there, so. I like the neighbor told me, so one place I come here, say to him, say, yo, and there's a crab in one kitchen in a ziggy. He must say, nothing, man, we'll build up a top first, you know. We'll fix up one of there and build up one room under there. So I never say nothing. Anything happen, just go around, I'm there with me.
You're not bad at him.
Anything is, I mean, I tell you, say, why I want what is still helpful.
Yeah.
I tell you, say, go by them up carry cement, come for the man and come work Saturday night, about 5 or 6 man, he might get with him after I help them. And some soldiers and some police, and him friend and him come. They walk and they want to chat.
I wish so, Chappy, I wish so.
You almost have some soldiers and some police and them and his friends, them come, they walk and they will come again.
Okay, that's wonderful. Yes, man.
So they say, I'm going to take most Thursday to work for female.
Okay.
Or so.
So good things are happening. So we have to give God thanks.
When I checked it last night, I paid them money, all of them money, they know about 60 grand or 70 grand.
But then volunteer, then service.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's good. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So, I still have to look at the end time, I hasn't still.
To touch them.
I can't touch them.
Yes.
But right now, the touching time, I stopped casting last night. I checked it, I was 800. 2,550 and I say mash up. I said, no, me dig them.
Yeah.
I just root up or something, get some road up and them chop out the head, them and chop out. I don't head no get them. Oh, chop over there so. You know, say, let me go over there, say, then they say, me go over there, go see if me find something could make them feel good too. I go over there, me dig about 15 hill and me get nothing. One piece me feel and I say then me go down to the next part now, we can't see, we can't manage the bush. We can't manage to take them up. We go through them, so I say me just left here and come up. And even tell them nothing.
Over there so damaged bad.
Yeah, everything here over the damage bad, me I tell you. And I say last night, I say, all I have to do is just wait still.
Maybe I beer not beer yet, man.
No man, you can't bear a ground pound so again, like you so. It was mash up like. Can't bear so again. Yeah,
You can't take up it.
it can't take up. That's why, you know, round leaf can't be not be again after I go down.
So your head dead then? You know
You
what
find
you
some
buy now,
little
cup.
I'm sink down some of them, I just say, every time come here. Web shop, we go through 15 here. But we can't go through the rest.
Oh.
One piece we see about 2 pounds, we say this throw away. I'm a juky button right there.
You're gonna need some
me, I
help.
know.
Well, look like you cut your finger, so.
Look a while.
I don't know when, but me see
I
like.
bamboo touch me, I see when the same time I see no come out, look like one looks a bamboo.
Oh. No, see friend, if you see.
It didn't drop before we
Okay.
see me see we got come see it. I left me the hope you am thick on it.
It's
And the
okay.
slice. I want to see if I'm supposed to cut. One man was juke right as us. One like a piece in there already. I see him place me there.
When you go up,
can't
you put some alcohol on it, Chappy.
All that me need do there. Yeah.
Alright, Chappy. Well, we're happy we come and see you, although you say you're not full
man.
100, or you weren't so good over the weekend,
Yeah,
but
when I say weekend, I watch me still have to live up myself. Not sure.
yes.
Yeah, no, you say you can't sit down and I'm paying up still. You're paying up this morning, man, but I say I have to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got more paying up if I long hours. 2 days I'm taking hours.
Can't take another day.
Take another day. I will listen. 2 days I take, and then if me have the work I have to take time to do it, and nobody can't do it, then next street me can't take time. Not true? Guys, I go jam up more.
Yeah, that's true.
I go jam up more.
You have a new machine now.
Nah, I'm not telling you the good people to know up. But
Are you Bennett?
yeah, and I'm sharp me too. You know.
Sharp meat, but you're not sharp.
Me, you know, it's a walk. It's a sharp, but it's a walk still.
Okay. Alright guys, so want to just say thanks to Warrior and CB again. We thank you very much for your continued support.
Yes,
you have been
Warrior and
supporting the work that we do for a good time.
Yes.
No, and we are very grateful. So all right, so like I was saying before, that we are very grateful for your continued support, and we know Chappy is more than grateful too, because you just hear him mention that, you know, for persons not to know him but to still, you know, find it in their hearts to give him something. He's very grateful. All right, so also guys, I'm using the opportunity to advertise that we ginger ready. Well, the ginger plant about 3 years ago and we never dig it, so well, it is ready and ready again. Well, it ready now, and we are digging it up, right, Marcel?
Yeah,
so if if you want ginger, please call us at 512 tell me the number again.
4055.
Oh yeah, please call us at 876-512-4055 and place your orders. You know how it go when you get excited. I don't even remember the number, but anyways,
You excited?
yes, about the ginger thing it up.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then I dirt them on.
So guys, call us for your ginger order. Please remember, so you can put it in your cereal. You know, if we still have some cereal.
So I just sell it by pound.
We're selling it by the pound.
Yes,
Okay.
I go around and sell it by pound.
Ginger,
Yeah.
you sell it by 500 pounds.
If you want 100 pounds, you buy it.
You want 100 pounds to buy, Chappy?
100 pounds, you sell it by like a Christian.
$1,000 a pound, you know.
No.
So-
No, if you sell. A Christian, you sell, no. Every Wednesday morning, early morning.
Alright, don't worry yourself. We'll give you Wednesday morning if you can go to the church.
Then you go up the same way.
Then we don't give.
When you got Christian with ginger, when one car go up with ginger, 8 bag of ginger, 10 bag of ginger, you see if I up there say ginger, everybody, 3, 4, 5, 6, somebody can hold on price and one hold on for them bag and say, I feel them bag this and this bag they want.
Oh.
Straight up.
Yes.
And a cash money them for them a market people, them a got different place with the market, but early in the morning sell that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to deal with someone, you go can.
Yeah, carry it, go up there.
How you mean?
Yeah, then I can carry go sell it.
You say you want to
Yeah,
go? So when they grab onto the bag, oh, you manage and everybody take one
So
bag.
them you carry a drive scene when they hold it.
Oh,
But when you
okay.
carry part on top of our vehicle, never sell it. I sell it. Hold on the car, if I carry, I come from and sell it, I go up night town. And hold on it, wait, I go park. But they want, no, but everybody want to grab and want to make certain thing get.
You say ginger hot bread?
That's bread, man.
Are they bread? Hot bread or ginger?
That's bread, I ginger, man. Right now, I want a piece.
You want peace?
Now, what do you want for ginger, man? I want a piece of ginger to drink from over there. Why you want some ginger for over there? Here, if I get one piece,
So how
I
you plant so much yam head and you not plant no ginger?
Why, one with a ginger over there in the mango tree over there, so you know how long it serve me? And one more did over one tree, so all ginger, you know how long it serve me? When we go back to them, I don't find nothing. You know, if I dig me the goat, I don't go over.
All right, we're going to get you some. We get you some
One
ginger.
man promised me little ginger over there.
You can't give a piece of ginger.
And
Piece
you
what
not
you
give
say
me.
you want? Piece.
I'll 10 pound
10 pound and nothing?
I'll 50 pound.
And nothing.
But that don't sound like a tea. That sound like you're going to plant, you know.
I tell you, say right now, the next crop when me I look upon them, I say, oh, right, you know, the planter should have ginger for me. Say, ginger is the only crop right now
You know, blow down.
for this time, yeah. Ginger, and I look there in a year, 2 years, ginger, and I look there, a piece of land right there, so.
So give me this a farm and take me ginger. Take some of my ginger.
Yeah,
So me want this now, you know?
I'm going to get it in the...
You have the ginger. Let's see what we want.
Don't get your ginger yet.
I say, you know, I said that I will plant 25 and I am all like cheese, sir. That's all I feel.
Better for me? Yeah.
But in that time, I didn't know him. No, I don't know.
That's for the next on head.
Yeah, well, it's so head. I said, I'm going to cheese, you know, just plant up on the mango cheese, I load up, you know, and have to kick.
Yeah.
Clean up, chicken night. But at that mash up, in a storm, I want to grow on the cheese.
I blow a tree.
Cheese can't blow, so it chop up everything.
Oh, no.
And chop up everything till the cheese come down.
Alright.
The cheese then come down good up there.
Then come down good.
You say you have to pay a chainsaw, man.
Yeah.
Then come down good to show where they look for.
They come down, man.
You have banana?
All the breadfruit.
Everything.
You have banana?
We?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
You want one bunch of banana?
Yes?
We take banana today?
If you might give away.
Which part of banana did they make me ask, by the way? Which far bush you go now?
Alright, it's a go.
Oh.
If you want, right, it's a banana. 2 bananas, so one must go. So.
I want one whole bunch of banana. That's what I can give.
Actually,
Yeah.
so go look piece then.
Yeah, look please.
I'm around pies.
Carry enough. We can't give me stop say one hand a banana. She said she tired of rice now, so.
I say that so white good finish put a soup. See what you see all the time? I saw look ahead so you get chunk.
The Chappy say? Oh, it's another bush in harvest. I think up at the mango tree up there in my point. Cover it up to keep cool and go and fit.
I remember wash me half a year and enough.
This is enough.
Time to get cool though.
You know, say I want to ripe somewhere with a bird like it.
The bird them might eat it when I want it.
And up some I want soup, but I don't know which part. Yeah?
Bird them carry flu when I want on banana with them.
Some of them.
Yeah, which part. Let me go hear them a morning time.
Some of them.
Black banana, black gingerbread.
That's how much banana Chappy. That's how much banana you have out there covered up.
Banana they all both and what I know. All up a yard banana supposed to cover.
Okay, bush.
Come Chappy. Make it stay next time when we come. Say banana
come
tree
stay,
will come back up pretty.
Next time when you come in the ripe. Next time you come, sell them out.
Okay. So that's your fiddle, man. Sell them.
Silly. Come look for this banana if you can.
See if we go look for it.
Better come. If you know, you come out of the bush there. Better come.
I'm not for a bush.
Better come now.
I'm not for a bush, man. That one, I'm still one now.
Come on, let's see banana.
You don't want no banana to cook them, man.
The one that's small.
Just want to give you a banana.
The one that looks small. So. Yeah. See there? Not ready yet.
Yes. Can I come all in?
Yeah, make it stay first.
Think one. Think a little too. Sometimes I go book them up. Banana can cook.
That can cook it bitter.
You want tonic in it?
Banana bitter?
You want tonic in it?
What is that sound?
Bamboo.
Oh,
Bamboo. Burning a fire.
okay. Boy. Watch your foot in a one string. Alright guys, so Chappy, we are leaving now, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so next time when we come the banana we're ready.
Aye.
Alright guys, thanks to everyone, thanks to all our viewers, our subscribers, all our donors. Thank you everyone for your continued support, and until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye. Remember the ginger guys.
Thanks, Ginger is here.
Ginger is here. Chappy said ginger is here.
Advertise the ginger, Chappy. Say something about the ginger.
Tell them which part you're going there with the bag of ginger.
I'm going to go Christian.
Yeah, when? Wednesday?
I want no bag.
No man, I want to put bag
But
here
you not dig
again.
it.
But we not dig it. But if you are go, we dig it.
Okay. Well, I see him number here, sir.
Yeah.
Let me call you then, man, and tell you what I go and continue then.
Alright.
I go check Eddie and talk to Eddie.
I not even go ask her who name so.
Chiffon.
Chiffon.
Okay, I don't know who Chiffon is
man,
either.
When I say I dig him out, it's a while.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
I open give Sam. That's if give Sam.
Alright guys, blessed love everybody.
Give thanks and praise auntie.
Yeah man, every
When
time.
you again,
Oh,
they say me come and buy people in me.
Oh, Warrior and CB.
CB. They are
Alright.
and CB. Yeah, give thanks and praise, man, and give thanks to what they've sent, and love and happiness Christmas. Love and happiness for
Love and happy
Christmas.
Christmas.
That's how. Alright. Bless you, man.
Woo! I feel it too long.
You don't want piece of me cane?
No thank you.
What make?
I don't feel like eating okay now.
I want too much grease. Too much gravy. Yeah. You want a piece of cane, Trimel?
No,
I don't say I love cane, so. I don't feel that way when I say I don't want none, you know.
Is it would I help you?
More for me.
Easy would definitely help you with that cane.
Cane tough, Chappy.
That make it even worse.
Huh?
Yeah, go so say me put on sack around here.
You're not saying nothing. Ready for going. Guys, me I eat one cane off a Chappy farm. Kinda tough still, but it's sweet. The mic turn off? Just don't say what you enough to say.
Eh? You want to cross it?
What black you have, Lasson? What black you have? 200 black. You want enough more? Huh?
Yeah, man. 400 more.